Hello guys, this is Alvin Said blog. So guys, today I show you how to make Google Ads accounts. Okay, Google Ads accounts, how to make. So I will show you very easy and simple. This is already free account. Okay, you can use also free. So let's do it. I will show you. So first need to open your Chrome browser. Okay, I already opened my Chrome browser, and then you need to search there Google Ads. Okay, you need to search there Google Ads. So there search Google Ads, ADS. Okay, then you need to click, then you need to go down. After there you have find sign in Google Ads. Okay, sign in Google Ads. Okay, so need to be click there, sign in Google Ads. So waiting for a few seconds because my network connection is very slow. So guys, already open. So you need to go down. Okay, there have switch to export mode. Okay, so need to click down, switch to export mode, need to click there, then just waiting for few seconds. Don't click any box. Okay, you click current accounts. When you click current accounts, this time you ask where your country and everything you ask. Okay, you put there yes, then continue, submit. Okay, see, already open our account. So after you please click out this option, explore your account. See guys, already open our Google Ads. Okay, so you need to check this is open or something mistake. So you have there have more tools. Okay, you click the tools and check there everything. You can also boost your video, you can do anything there. Okay, you can free also, you can use too much option also there. Okay, you can easily use everything. See, there have more option. So guys, thank you so much for watching.